my channel. So I have a little surprise for you guys. I have an affordable wig by LUVME Hair. I've been seeing them all over YouTube. I know how big they are right now. The headband wigs are in, and LUVME Hair is really doing the damn thing right now. So this is I have not opened it. This is my first time. I'm going to open the box. So you're gonna get a natural reaction. We're gonna open this and see how this goes. So let's see. And first of all, I just love this packaging. When I first got it, it was by UPS, and I looked at it. I said, "Is this shoes or is it my wig?" Or so I look at it, and I'm like, "Oh wow, this is actually how it comes." Now UPS did mess it up a little bit here on the ends, but I mean, it's totally fine. It's just a box. Let's check the inside and make sure nothing else is messed up. So as we open it up, oh wow. Okay, so this is how it looks as soon as you open it up. Got a little message. It says, "Enjoy your hair from now on, Helena, the founder of LUVME Hair." So that was pretty cool. And here are the headbands. Now on YouTube, I see a whole bunch of printed ones. I don't see not one printed headband in here. I mean, but you know, the colors look pretty cute. They're very summery. I even see a black one in here, so that's good. But you know, with the prints, they're all solid. And then let's see. Here's the wig. The wig comes like this. Now, I love this because it's out of the way. It's like totally secure in this bag. So I really like that. Let's see, what is this? Oh, a cute little bag. Oh, let's see. Look at this. Look at this cute little bag. Let's see what's in here. Oh, a clip. Got a clip for your hair. See what else? Bobby pins. See if you see that. Bobby pins. Oh, an elastic band. Cute little edge brush. This is needed. And it's purple. Is my favorite color, you guys. You have no idea. I'm so excited that everything is in purple. Oh, and a little scarf to put around your edges. Okay. But, oh, wait, hold on. I'm not even done. What's this? Oh, and there's tweezers in here. Oh, yes, tweezers. Not bad. Okay, LUVME Hair. I see you. All right. And guys, this is not a paid ad or anything like that. This is truly my honest opinion on this hair. And so far, I freaking love the packaging. I mean, they're killing it right now. Look, here is return policy information by LUVME Hair. Comes with that as well. Oh, and a wig cap. Comes with 2 wig caps. And this is great because sometimes, you already know, sometimes you be looking for your wig caps and you can't find them. Exhibit A. So this is great. So I'm actually going to put one on now. Okay, now let's really open this up and see how this goes. All right, so this is it straight out of the packaging. Very cute. I got the deep wave curly hair. I'll leave the information down in the description box for you guys, so you can. I'll send like that direct link of this wig, but it's the deep wave curly. And it has a net on it. So let's take this net off. So I could really feel this hair. Now, straight out the packaging, wow. Oh, wow, this is extremely soft. I did not expect that at all. It's extremely soft. You can see the curl pattern here. That deep, nice wave. All right. So let's try to put this on. It comes with the band here. So you're gonna take the band off with the Velcro. Take it right off. These headband wigs, guys, are super easy. And it also comes with 3 combs. You got 1 comb here, 1 comb here, and 1 comb in the back. So I usually just put the one in the back because the ones in the front I don't necessarily need, since the Velcro is going to be there to kind of secure it down. But let's see if I need them or not. Okay, so this is it fully. This is like amazing. And I got the 18 inches. I didn't want anything too long. You can see the little headband here. Just so cute. Now you can wear it like this if this is what you choose, but I like big hair, so we're gonna do it big. Yo, I mean, I am here for the big hair, guys. I mean, I am here for the big hair. I love big hair. Oh my God, it kind of reminds me of like a Diana Ross kind of thing. And by the way, I just combed throughout the whole head. This is all the shedding I get. So you do get a little bit of shedding, you know. This is, but I mean, this is nothing. Look at his hair. This is nothing. So you can definitely wear it like this. Be like, you can definitely wear it like this. Big, juicy hair, which I love. I mean, this is how I would wear it. Some cute hoop earrings. Wait till I dress this up, you guys. Just wait. Yes, this is like everything. But I do want to wet it down and see how it looks wet. So this is it dry, combed out. Let's see how it is wet. So I'm going to part it in half again. You're definitely going to need the combs if you have a big head like me, because just the headband is not going to work. You definitely need the combs to keep it down, keep it secure. I mean, you know, that's what happens when you have a big head, right? Go. Like I said, there's no product on it. It's just the curls. Wow. Oh, wow. You know, I actually like it wet, you know? I think it looks great both ways. I think it looks good dry and it looks good wet. I mean, you can do either or, if you, whatever you want, to be honest. But I really like it wet. Just take it again. Brush this out. Wow, you guys, this is like, oh, it's still kind of dry here. There we go. Okay, Love Me Hair. So I'm definitely gonna be ordering from them. Wow, look at this. Love this. Ooh, do my little edges. Look at this. Wow. Do my little edges, put on some cute earrings, my little outfit. Very cute. I definitely recommend this wig, guys, for real. If you want something easy, affordable, and this is real human hair, you want all of that, I mean, I'm telling you, I definitely would get it. Because I think this looks great. And I had an issue with UPS and getting the wig here. It was supposed to come last Thursday, but it didn't come. It didn't come, so now I had to wait a whole nother week, but it was worth it. So I'm taking out the headbands. I want to try a headband and see how it looks. I love this color. I'm obsessed right now. See how this looks. Oh, once again, oh God, I hope this is big head friendly too. Oh shit, this, nah. Okay. See here. Oh, this is so cute, guys. Oh, this is so cute. Look at that. I am ready to go. This is it. And for all my moms out there, this is it. When you don't have time and you wake up and you look busted, you get this wig and you throw it on and you go. You get your little headband wig and you go. Get your little headband that looks super cute and you go. I love this. So that's it for this video, you guys. I definitely, oh my goodness, I'm just so excited. And see, look, and it's 18 inches, pretty long too. You could straighten this, you can dye this, you could do whatever you want, but I'm gonna leave it just like this. I can even do a cute little pony. Let's put it in the back like this. Or you could do a high bun, like that. But I'm gonna just leave it down, just like this. All right, guys, well, that's the end of my video. Once again, I absolutely love this wig. I recommend it to you all. I'm going to leave the description down below. And I just, I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. Thank you so much. I love you guys.